कलेक्शन में उनके पास बहुत सुंदर चनिया चोली है, बट वी हैव समथिंग फॉर मेन एंड किड्स एज वेल. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर टू चेक आउट द कलेक्शन? यू नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. Swipe left. So this is brand Rhythm Boutique. Hello ma'am.
Hi. We have Jilmil collection.
This is their Jilmil collection.
It's our signature.
Beautiful. ये उनका signature collection है.
All are handmade.
Beautiful Banarasi. They are handmade, handcrafted. Look at the dupatta.
It's all our bandage with kachi handwork.
Bandage with kachi handwork.
It's the organza with the, and this our details.
Look at that.
Then we have blouses.
Okay. Blouses में भी
All are handmade, so आप wedding में भी पहन सकते हो and आप साइडर फंक्शन पहन सकते हो, even नवरात्रि also.
lovely.
We have Banarsi long blouses.
Beautiful. Look at that.
We have printing and Mukesh work dupatta.
Very pretty. This is brand Pohi and they have very beautiful collection of Navratri. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
So all these
3000 ની રેન્જના છે.
are in the range of 3000.
4500 ની રેન્જના છે બનારસી બોર્ડરમાં.
Okay. Lot of varieties in dupattas. And then they also तो उनके पास वो भी available. If you're looking for beautiful jewelry options, I am wearing this very pretty brand called Jewel Kosh and उनका और collection दिखाते हैं आपको. So they have very pretty statement pieces and then they have these very beautiful Afghani pieces as well. Along with that, अगर आपको color pop चाहिए, they have that. हासली में options चाहिए, they have these heritage beautiful looking long neck pieces. Look at that. Very pretty options with beautiful jewelry, earrings. They also have these beautiful handcuffs. Lovely. And some contemporary jewelry as well, along with kada options. So this particular brand is inspired by Bollywood collection. This is brand in Nara. Hello ma'am.
Hello. You can see different color combinations.
Okay. Beautiful.
It's very different. You can see the back is all different. It's very exclusive pieces. We have also used original Lampo.
Beautiful.
This is also people's favorite because there's story original Lampo. You can see the embroidered.
So this is brand an Indian Meraki and they have come up with beautiful collection here. As you can see, पूरा handmade में है उनके पास. This is all very pretty. Everything here you see is handmade. And another thing I want to tell you, इसके पीछे cloth है, so it won't cause any irritation to you. That is very pretty. They have beautiful options. Look at that. Along with that, उनके पास bangles भी हैं. You can see ma'am's look. Hello. Very pretty. Brand Juhi Chauksi. Hello.
So we have cotton muslin crush chaniyas,
Okay.
beautiful cotton neck printed blouses and chiffon ombre dupattas.
Okay.
Then I have my signature long top pattern in Bandi.
Okay. Very pretty.
Light pastel colors. My blouse designs are really pretty.
Lovely. Look at that.
In hand embroidered blouses. Again chiffon
Beautiful.
something in pastel.
Very good. So this is brand Shri Vaishnavi and she has brought beautiful sari options. Yes ma'am.
हेलो माय ब्रांड नेम श्री वैष्णवी कलेक्शन. ये टिश्यू है प्योर,
ये है.
ये चंदेरी टिश्यू है, हाफ हाफ है, मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
ये खाटू आर्ट है, टिश्यू
Very pretty.
पानी है प्योर गजी पे
Okay. Okay.
पे है.
Okay. Very pretty.
डिटेलिंग देखिए खाटू आर्ट.
Very pretty. Look at that. So this is brand Kesar House and as you can see she is draped beautifully in the entire outfit. Yes ma'am. और भी collection में अगर हम देख सकते हैं तो. So they are here specially from Surat and they have brought beautiful Kachi work के options. Very pretty. Look options. Okay. Lovely. So this is brand Arsh by Kesar House and they have brought beautiful men's kurta as well. Yes, ma'am. पूरा ये ऐसे एम्ब्रॉयडरी में है. This is very pretty. Okay. Loving it. If you're looking for something simple, sober. Okay. Very pretty. Okay. These are very cool, suave looking. Pure cotton है. This is brand Gold Thread and look at the two pretty ladies. I'm loving both their looks and let's check out more looks. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, this is Nancy from Gold Thread. This is our new Shakti Roop collection.
Okay. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Something in contrast blouse के साथ है पूरा. Wow. Look at that. Very pretty. Beautiful.
This is our mirror collection.
Wow. Very pretty. Beautiful.
We also have
Okay. So they have only chaniya options as well. अगर आपको वो चाहिए तो भी. Very pretty.
we also have only blouses.
They have only blouses के भी options हैं. Very beautiful. Beautiful.
We also have dupattas.
Yes. Very pretty.
Bandage dupatta.
So this is brand Glam Girl. They are here all the way from Rajkot. Yes, ma'am.
Hi Ahmedabad, we are back with our most trending signature designs of mirror work.
Okay.
One of our like Nancy is wearing the same. I'm also wearing the mirror work designs. So you
Beautiful.
can see this beautiful dupatta with the daman work.
Very
And
pretty.
we have our like Kashi designs as well, which is quite budget friendly. So this time we bring this collection also.
So this is brand Dilruba and the best thing, if you want you can wear it for Navratri. If you want you can pair it with a skirt, pant. Obviously use it. Very pretty. Look at that. So this is very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. So they have this very pretty blouse के साथ पूरा very beautiful pink lehenga. Look at that. With mirror work detailing. Very pretty. This is brand Rutva Mehta and she has come up with beautiful collection. Khadi में कुछ
This is one set.
okay. Very pretty.
All of these can be customized in any other color.
Beautiful. Lovely.
Dupatta has embroidery details. Again 10 meters of flare. And it has Kachi patch details.
So this is brand Pinky's collection and as you can see ma'am is wearing one of her pieces. Very pretty. Wedding में कुछ है उनके पास. German silver में कुछ beautiful pieces हैं. Along with that उनके पास बहुत सारी earrings के options हैं. As you can see chokers में भी उनके पास बहुत सुंदर and बहुत सारे options हैं. Tight chokers, हासली, ये लटकन style में. Very pretty. Look at that. Along with that, something in pura wedding collection as well. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is brand B and Bo and she has come up with beautiful cute kids collection. Yes, ma'am.
These are the pieces.
They are very
Age is 1 to
comfortable.
12, yeah.
Yes, age is 1 to 12 years.
And any size can be customized.
Any
according to
size can be customized.
Something in block print, in shibori or tying down.
Very pretty. These are all very comfortable. Fabric is very pretty. Very comfortable for children.
Something in patola
Beautiful.
and Banaras is there.
So this is brand Sadgi by Sanjana. Hello, ma'am. So she has very pretty festive. Okay. Anarkali options है उनके पास. Look at that.
Dupatta can be customized. And
Okay.
can be customized. These kind of rustic tissues.
Okay. Very pretty. Beautiful. Look at lot of options. Very pretty. Look at that. Very pretty.